Hello, this is Anna, collaborator from Spotahome. Here we are in Carrer San Ignacio de Loyola. We are going to visit this 4-bedroom apartment. We are at the entrance. As you can see, you have a table and you have a mirror on this wall. This is room number 1. You have a double bed, 2 bedside tables, you have 2 chairs, small table. You have a chest of drawers with a mirror on the side. And you have this closet with mirrors on the wall. It's a big closet. It's a very spacious room, as you can see, a lot of natural light. That's really nice. And you have a street view window. We are right on the center of Valencia, just 1 minute away from Torres de Quartz, which is an iconic place in the historic center. And you can walk to neighborhood El Carmen, which is the historic center in Valencia. Really nice neighborhood. A lot of bars, restaurants. This is a bedroom number 2. You can turn this couch into a bed. And you have closets on both sides. You have an air conditioner unit over there, as you can see. You have a big desk and 2 chairs. And you have a really nice balcony with 2 chairs and a table. This is your view. You have parking space under the building. You also have a subway station 2 minutes away that can take you anywhere in the city. We go down the hallway. This is room number 3. It's an inside bedroom, but you have a window there. You have a double bed, bedside table, and you have a Tudor closet with mirrors on the walls. This is one of the bathrooms. You have the toilets, you have a closet over here. You have the sink, you have a mirror with light, and you have the shower. This is the last bedroom. Also a double bed bedroom. You have a chest of drawers over there on the corner. And you have a bedside table and lamp over here. And this room has an ensuite bathroom. This is the shower, the toilet, the sink. You have also a mirror with light. And you have a small closet over here. And this bed has a storage space under. So if you need to save something, you can do it there. This is the living room. You have a couch, you have 2 big chairs. You have a dining table with 6 chairs, a TV. That's an inside patio window. You can do the laundry here. And this is the kitchen. You have an oven. You have microwave, kitchen appliances that you can use. You have a shaker, toaster. You also have a dishwasher. And you have a washing machine on the kitchen. The fridge on this side. You have a coffee machine. You have an iron board there. Cleaning appliances. As I said, we are in a very centric location and pretty easy to move around the city if you are here. And this is it. Thank you and goodbye.